So one of the things we like to grow all year round is parsley. We mostly grow it outside, of course, like everybody else, but we do like to grow some of it in the polytunnel, start it about July sort of time so that it's ready for harvest in November. So I thought I'd show you a little video just as we progress through the year. So I'm potting on my parsley today. Now parsley's obviously growing really nicely outside at the moment, but I want to pot this on so that it's ready. Nice big plants ready to go out in the polytunnel, probably into containers in the polytunnel in sort of October time. And so I like that. I find that then the parsley is the quality of it is way better and it's way more prolific in the polytunnel than it is outside. So yeah, I'm putting it on into Dalefoot vegetable compost, which is a nice nutrient rich compost which should keep it going for the next, I don't know, 6 weeks or so. I'm going to put it into these 6-cell trays. As I said, it's only going to be in there for 4 to 6 weeks, so that should be plenty good enough for it. So now I'm potting on like this, basically a big cell into just a slightly bigger cell. I just put it in the corner like that and then just fill in the area around the edge. So there we go. And since I only had 10 seedlings, I thought I'd got space in the tray to put these in bigger pots, and I thought I'd just compare the growth rate of the ones in the bigger pots and the ones in the smaller pots, and then also if I forget to water these then these will probably pull through. So started these on the 22nd of July, and yeah, I'm really happy with them. And they're just going to stay outside on my seedlings starter bench for a few weeks. So I've just moved the parsley into the polytunnel. It's in these big pots now. It's kind of doubled in size probably since last time you saw it. I'm pretty happy with the quality of it. It's really going to love it now in the polytunnel. I just noticed there though, look, it's got cabbage aphid on it. Never seen that on parsley before, so I'm going to squash those. Try and get them all. Anyway, hopefully there's just something to keep an eye on. And I've got another tub down there behind the chair, and that is looking pretty good as well. And to be honest, there was no difference between the stuff that was in the big pots and the stuff that was in the little pots really. So the little pots were fine. Anyway, we'll come back to that because it's not ready for harvest yet in a few weeks time, and no doubt we'll be ready to pick some. And we can compare that then perhaps with some that's growing outside. So here we are, 10th of November, and the parsley is ready for harvest. So there's nice big stems there, and I'll just pick those and I'll just keep on growing now. And we'll harvest, you know, I don't know, about 2 litres a week all the way through winter. Just grows really nicely in the polytunnel. There's the second pot. And the stuff outside is still doing pretty well because it's still quite mild, but the growth rate in the polytunnel, it's just no comparison now as we move into sort of, you know, late November and December, and you really see the advantage. And we like parsley all the way around, so this is a nice way to get it. So if you like that quick video, my name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.